How to make this custom subscribe button using Canva. At first, take a blank video page. Now, go to Elements option and search with subscribe. I will take this one. Now place it in the middle and change the background with the opposite color of the subscribe button. Go to the Elements again and search Share button. I will choose this one, but you can choose yours. Now place it over subscribe button in the middle. Go to Timing and reduce Share button timing. Go to Animation feature and add your animation. Okay. To add sound effects, go to Elements and search with Cork. I will take this one. Now again search with Huos transition. This time, I will take this one. Now adjust the timing for 5 to 6 second maximum. Check for the final time. It's done. Now go to Download.